I'm not sure I am now to be saved by them or I saved them. I listen to the voice this gentleman is talking to. This gentleman talking to me. In the presence of this gentleman, I recognize myself. Am I vulnerable? Sensibly, I feel in the sphere of vulnerability. I have my vibration to listen to some pieces of voice spoken. Mysteriously, I imagine and feel the meaning of life. It is so gorgeous to have eternal life. Nevertheless, it is fate for human beings to face death. Everybody experiences. I don't know the answer now,